Pumanaw na si Pilita Corrales na tinaguriang Asia's Queen of Songs sa edad na 85 ngayong araw. Sa post ni Lotlot de Leon ngayon araw ng Sabado patungkol kay Pilita Corrales. She loved her family like there's no tomorrow. She would move heaven and earth just for them, for Ate Jackie, for VJ, for Mon and most definitely for her grandchildren. She's the kind of grandmother anyone would wish for. And I know that if she can just give and gift her family with so much more, she would. Everything that belonged to her in a heartbeat she would pass on to those who are precious to her. Her family was her number one. My children are very blessed to have and received that kind of love. For that I am truly grateful. Rest in paradise, Mamita. A million thanks to you. Samantala ibinahagi rin sa post ng apo ni Miss Pilita Corrales na si Janine Gutierrez ayon pa sa kanya ay, "It is with a heavy heart that we announce the passing of our beloved mommy and Mamita, Pilita Corrales. Pilita touched the life of many, not only with her songs but also with her kindness and generosity. She will be remembered for her contributions to the entertainment industry, but most of all for her love of life and family. Please join us with your prayers and kind thoughts as we celebrate her beautiful life." Further details regarding memorial services will be shared soon. Hindi naman nabanggit ni Janine ang dahilan ng pagpanaw ni Pilita, at ibabahagi pa sa mga darating na araw ang detalye ng memorial services. By the way, rest in peace Miss Pilita Corrales. Paano mga kachika, kita-kits tayong muli sa mga susunod ko pang mga showbiz updates. Please like, share and subscribe. Pakihit na rin ang notification bell para ma-notify ka sa mga susunod ko pang upload. Again, maraming salamat.